What is up, everybody? This is Carlos with Carlos Power Media, and today we are going to do a product unboxing for the Hamilton Beach ice cream maker. I received this for a birthday present, and I am going to do a unboxing of this. And in one of my cooking segments, I am going to make fresh ice cream and sorbet for you guys, so you can see the process in using this product. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing. Okay guys, now we will start to unbox the Hamilton Beach ice cream maker. This thing is pretty big, so I'm gonna try to get as much of it in the camera as possible. So let's do our unboxing and see what's in here. Okay, it comes with a actual Hamilton Beach ice cream maker. There's like a little handbook in here, and you can register your product as well. So that comes in here. We have that, and there's this little thing that protects it. Now here is the actual ice cream maker. You can get this out of here. So we have our ice cream maker here, and inside there is a little propeller thing, and I'm assuming this is what spins the actual ice cream, and there is nothing else in the box. So it comes with 3 items: the ice cream maker, the propeller, and the actual Hamilton Beach instructions. So on here, we'll open this up, take it out. We have the ice cream maker. We have the propeller. And we have the actual instruction book. So when you open this up, there's a little button on the front, and all of this can come out. And you can see there is a portion inside. Now usually with these things, it is recommended that you put this in the fridge to get it all chilled. Some actual paper in here. Sit that back in there. Put this back on here. And there is a switch here. So you can see that the ice cream maker is a nice size. It comes with 3 pieces, and the propeller can actually go in here, and it fits in here. So, and then it goes inside, and you turn it on. So this is it. Okay guys, we have shown you the product of the unboxing, and you can see it comes with the actual unit itself, and it has a button on the front where you can actually open the top, and you can place the propeller in here, which it actually holds tight in here to spin and churn the actual ice cream that you make. So it actually comes in, if you look at it, you have the base, you have the inner cup, and you have the top, and you have the propeller. So if you're really looking at the amount of pieces it has a total of, this would be 1 piece, the actual inner cup would be 2 pieces, the propeller would be 3, and the top would be 4. And you have your instructional booklet as well. So I look forward to utilizing this. It's by Hamilton Beach. They make pretty good products, and I am going to be utilizing this in one of my cooking segments. I am going to make some sorbet and some gelato as well as some ice cream. So I'm looking forward to doing that and doing some alternatives for those people who cannot intake dairy products. We may use like a almond milk or something like that with natural sweeteners. So I look forward to utilizing this product. I will do a product review on it and let you guys know what I think about the product. But I think this is great. I received it for a gift and I want to share this product review with you. So this is Carlos with Carlos Power Media. Go ahead and comment on my video. Like my video. Give me that thumbs up. As well as there is a button over to the left where you can subscribe to my channel. And I look forward to having you as a new subscriber. This is Carlos with Carlos Power Media, and see you.